can tell he played with Waylon Jennings, can't you? He played with people that rock harder than me normally. Well, I can't believe I'm saying this, but the song I'm about to play for you is 20 years old this year. It just doesn't seem like I've been doing this that long, but I have. This is the cutest little, tiny little piano, isn't it? We could almost get this in the van. Yeah, in 20 years, you know, it's a long time to be playing a song, and I really was playing this pretty much the same way that it sounded when I wrote it, and I think sometimes when you do that for a length of time, you lose track of what you were thinking and feeling when you wrote the song. It just needs to be taken out of the old frame and put into a new one, so I did that with this. I think you'll know it. Well, she seemed alright by dawn's early light, though she looked a little worried and weak. She tried to pretend he wasn't drinking again, but Daddy left the proof on her cheek. I was only 8 years old that summer, and I always seemed to be in the way. So I took myself down to the fair in town on Independence Day. Well, word gets around in a small, small town. They said he was a dangerous man. Mama was proud, and she stood her ground, but she knew she was on the losing end. Some folks whispered, some just talked, but everybody looked the other way. And when time ran out, there was no one about on Independence Day. Time that the firemen come, they just put out the flames, took down some names, and sent me to the county home. But I ain't saying it's right or it's wrong, but maybe it's the only way. They talk about your